Okay, this is a red barn insect suet log, and this you can buy from Amazon for about £3 each, and I've got 6 of them, but today I'm only going to put one down inside and I'll show you now. Okay, it's a 26th of January 2025. I've got my camera ready and I'm going to put this log underneath this canopy. I'll show you. There. Okay. Right, well, there it is. Let's see what we're going to get today, what we attract. I'm hoping to get a woodpecker, but you could get anything. All the little birds, or the big birds, the pigeons, the squirrels. So there's my camera. I'm going to actually now see, hopefully, that it's in the right position to capture something. Okay, well, that's it for now. We'll see you later in the video.